Dear viewers, the purpose of today's video class is to tell you about advertisement writing. Advertisements are very common in this modern world, and advertisements help you in reaching millions of people within a single day. And because of this, advertisements have become very popular these days. You can see the advertisements during the television programs. You can also find advertisements regularly in newspapers and magazines. These advertisements are of two types. One is called display advertisement, another one is called classified advertisement. In this video class, I will teach you how to write these advertisements, and for the convenience, I have divided the video in two parts. This first part, is about display advertisements only, so that I could tell you elaborately how to write display advertisements. First of all, the meaning of display advertisement. Display advertisement is about consumer goods, the things that we use in our day-to-day life. It may be about a pen, about a pencil, about cars, about bikes, about mobile phones, about ACs, coolers, fans. These advertisements are about the things that we use in our day-to-day life, and these advertisements, display advertisements, are also called commercial advertisements or commercial ads. That is why you get commercial break in TV programs. Here, let us see what are the things that we need to keep in our mind while we are answering this type of question. Always remember that advertisements are of 4 marks and they are to be written within 40 to 50 words. We should always try our level best to keep the advertisement within the word limit. Let us see how these advertisements are written. What are the things that you should keep in your mind while writing display advertisements? First of all, display advertisements are related to consumer goods that we use in our day-to-day life. The purpose of display advertisements is to send information to consumers related to the product and thereby increase the sale of the product in the market. Whenever you are writing a display advertisement, always keep one funda in mind, and these funda will help you in writing the advertisements in a satisfactory way. And the thing is that you have to win the attraction of the consumers. You have to attract them in such a way that they are forced to go to market and buy your product. That is actually the success of display advertisement. आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि मान लीजिए ये आपका प्रोडक्ट है, आपने लॉन्च किया है और इस प्रोडक्ट को पॉपुलर बनाने के लिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को खरीदने के लिए प्रेरित करने के लिए जो कुछ आप एडवर्टीजमेंट बनाएंगे उस पे उस प्रोडक्ट का सक्सेस डिपेंड करता है, और ये सोच के डिस्प्ले एडवर्टीजमेंट को बनाने के पीछे जाना चाहिए. Second thing that you have to keep in mind is that these advertisements are charged by the space they consume in the print media, newspapers and magazines, and by the time they consume in the electronic media. So you have to keep the display ad very brief, meaningful, and related to your topic. First thing that you have to remember is that you write the display advertisement inside a box. You can see how this has been done in a box. Second thing is that you can use complete sentences and you can go for phrases as well. Complete sentences are not always required. Second thing is give details of the product for which you have prepared the advertisement. Next thing is that you can use drawings and sketches wherever it is possible or required. But when you are using drawings or sketches, be careful that you should have a fast, clear, and accurate hand. These sketches are very useful in advertisement writing because they are not counted among words, but they can convey a lot of message to the reader. You have to mention price of your product. You have to mention availability of the product in the market, regarding place where it is available, and regarding packaging in which it is available. For example, the toothpaste may be in 50-gram packaging, 100 grams packaging, and availability may be in all the stores and shops in the town. Next thing is that you have to explain the salient feature of the product, and you have to convince the buyer, the consumer, that your product is best in this field. When you are preparing display advertisement, use attractive slogans, give attractive offers. Also, make provision of discounts. You know, these offers, discounts allure the consumers to go to the market and buy the product. Whenever you are writing the advertisement, pay attention to the placement of your content material, and you should always try to make the presentation of your matter attractive. That is why I tell you about this attractive placement of content material. And always use a box to write your advertisements. Always remember that your display ad should be attractive, impressive, and convincing, so that the consumer is forced to go to market and buy your product.